Hey guys, welcome to the channel Goody Sense. I hope you are doing great at your home, your workplaces, and your surroundings. So let's get started without wasting any time. So today we will be doing a review of a designer fragrance Hugo Boss Reversed. Yeah, you heard it right. So today we will be discussing about its presentation, how it smells, about its longevity projection, and in the last we will discuss about its availability and pricing for the Indian customers or consumers in the fragrance game. So friends, so first basic step in the video is presentation. It's a simple 75 ml cardboard box. Yes, you can check the front. It's a 75 ml box of a bottle. You can check its back if camera can just it, and on the top you can see the branding of the Hugo Boss, and on the bottom there are some serial numbers and some barcodes. So it's all about the box. Now let's get started with the showstopper of the video, our main bottle. Hugo Boss Reverse looks like the typical another Hugo Boss fragrances like Hugo Boss Iced, just different. Yeah, so you can check this out. It's basically glass bottle, pure white glass bottle, 75 ml bottle, and you can see its cap is almost similar like the other bottles that I have mentioned. It's basically a flask type bottle. So let's jump inside its notes or its composition. So guys, about its top notes, it contains grapefruit and bergamot. For its heart notes or middle notes, it has rosemary. Talking about its base notes, it contains Haitian vetiver. It's a type of vetiver. You can check it out on Google as well or on the Fragrantica. So now we will talk about how it smells to you for the first time. Uh, on Fragrantica, the main records mentioned here are aromatic, fresh, spicy, citrusy. So let's check it out. It smells similarly or some different stuff. When you first smell it out, it will smell very citrusy, aromatic perfume, normal generic type of summer fragrance to your nose. You can easily note down here the notes of bergamot and rosemary. So I would say it's a basically daily wear or casual type of perfume in for Indian summers. Yeah, I bought it. I bought it blindly from the shopper's shop. So let's discuss these things in the last section of the video. Talking about its longevity and projection. On my skin, it projects about 1 to 1.5 hours. Talking about its longevity, on my skin, it lasts up to 5 to 6 hours. By taking consideration into the weather of Indian summers, you can easily understand that summer perfumes not for much longer than the winter perfumes. So some perfumes are exceptions. So let's discuss those perfumes in some another video. So at last, talking about its availability and price. So guys, I bought it blindly from the Shoppers Stop app because that I researched about its hype and that it launched in 2018, and in the fragrance community it was very much in the hype. that how it smells, and it's a different kind of Hugo Boss perfume. That's why I bought it blindly. It cost me around 3000 rupees for 75 ml bottle. I ordered it from the Shopper Stop app. So my basic preferences are Shopper Stop, Sephora, and the last one is Parcos. Uh, for the offline shopping, I rarely buy online perfumes. So let's discuss these things in some another video, how to buy genuine and all type of perfumes with the real authentication and real perfumes. So in the nutshell, you should buy it or not. I would say yeah, you can seriously consider it for the summertime, like the for Indian weather from the month of March to September. You can easily wear this scent on the regular basis in the office situations, in your some casual outings for the daytime. It's basically, I would say, daytime summer perfume, and it smells very aromatic and fruity to the nose. You can definitely check it out if you are lover of a summer perfumes. Yeah, that's it in this video. In another video we will discuss about some more perfumes, some more designer fragrances, and how to buy them, how to buy genuine perfumes. So let's keep continuing with some another video. Thank you guys for watching. Keep like and subscribe. Bye.